Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to link CSS file to HTML document. So let's start the tutorial. So we are going to create a folder, right? It's already there, that is HTML folder. Let me open. So there is option like open with the other application, that is Visual Studio. So I have opened this using Visual Studio, right? So there is my main document, right? It's my main document, index.html, and we have the style.css, right? So let me delete this script tag. We have the body tag with the select option. See, we have the, this is the different one. Okay, so let me add here. Let me go to the how to link css. Just copy this html tag. So here I'm going to add the css. So css file, yeah, it's in the document, it's into the folder. So you have to write link, link relation style sheet href. So here you know to define the path. No, it's like it's going to be like this. uh, um, css, it's in, move to the css. No, it's not. We have the css and we have style.css, right? And suppose I'm going to here we have remove this select tag. I'm going to add a p tag and check the css is picking up or not. P tag, then I'm going to add p, right? It's close. Hello, thanks for watching video, right? So here I'm adding this one text, right? So here I'm adding the class test, right? I'm copying this test class and opening the style.css, and here I'm going to add in this one with dot class, right? And here I'm going to open this braces, font size 30 pixels, right? And color should be black. So you can take down. So let's go and preview this page. Something went wrong. This you can remove this if it is not used. Right? Now file is okay. Let's go to the browser, localhost, HTML. Thanks for watching the video. See the color? So that means whatever we can write over here. Here I'm going to add background. Background, you can say red, right? Save this, reload this. Background red and color should be white. Hashtag FFF white. Reload this white. So we see I have successfully linking the CSS file in the VS Code in the HTML document, right? So you can also do the same, and VS Code always taking the path like which directory you are in. One dot for moving to the folder, but then I will check the CSS folder, then style.css, right? So this is how we can link CSS to the HTML document. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share, and comment.